Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world?
Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to day 4 of the stream. Today we're gonna work on, I have this setup in front of me, this CMUX. This new app is what I've been on a lot recently. I feel like it's much better than just using Ghosty. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna build this app on iOS that allows you to not just look at your screen, you can actually read it out. And we all know how bad the speech feature in iOS is currently. It sounds robotic, it's not that good. So here's what I'm trying to solve. So in the future, this is what I envision. We're gonna open our app, we're gonna, if we're in Claude, we're gonna just type on the microphone icon and say, yo, so what is the status of my business right now? You send it, and you don't even have to look at the screen, it's gonna read it out. So that's what we're trying to create. And later on, we'll implement like agents and stuff so that each of them have their own container and they'll run specific processes that they're actually programmed or set to run. Then all you have to do is just voice prompt them. So the first thing we gotta go forward with right now is,
in all the good times I find myself longing for change, and in the bad times I fear myself. I'm of the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never leave the ground. Crash through the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the
so now we're gonna move forward. Let me pick it up from where I left off yesterday. So we're far from the shallow now. Let me get my workspace set up. Alright. So right now I just need to run the build. I think so correct calibration flow going forward. Start run task, switch to Claude. Stay on Claude and don't go back to flow. Wait for 50 seconds for the screen. Let me start plus frames expire and then Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna build it right now. I just learned out about this price called back to this analogy I said, it's not one or the other, it's a combination. So you can't rely heavily 100% on just AI agents, but you also don't want the humans to be the only ones doing the work, because nowadays you're gonna be out-competed by other people who are more AI native and integrate AI in their workflow. So I think it's gonna be a combination of both. You still need human employees, but you're gonna use AI as a tool and agents as autonomous labor in order to speed it up very easily. So let's just go to Claude. I'm gonna pull up a chat.
Don't push me away. Don't push me away.
Pull up.
You've been so.
Pull down on command center. Click on the echo flow broadcast.
I don't know why. No, I don't know why.
Alright. And flow is what? Wait for 50 seconds. Don't touch anything, just wait for 50
seconds. We can change it up now. Flying above the clouds. We can be the life of the party. Sipping more Bacardi. We can change it up now. Saying it all like out loud. We can be the life of the party. The life of
Alright, stop that. Wait, it's actually not bad. This is so this is the new result I got. What do you think about it? I think it's not bad because, at first glance, it managed to leave out all the other unnecessary stuff and it actually got the actual substance of text. And I haven't scrolled, I just, okay, so what I did is I built it, I went into the Claude chat app, and I pull down the command center, click on Echo Flow Broadcast, and click on Start Broadcast. After that, I stopped the broadcast by typing it in the dynamic island, and I went into Echo Flow and I copied it and pasted it in the chat. So this is what it got. I feel like it's not bad. Is there anything else you should try, like maybe scroll or whatever? And also, right now, you know, once this cursor 3 has the multi-cursor, cursor, I don't think it's working. For now, I can see my cursor might do whatever I use it. I think I'm just gonna use cursor as my VS Code. So like whatever I do on VS Code, I just feel like the cursor UI is really polished. It's very good VS Code for the only thing is closed and you know you can't really tweak it. So if they lock it behind a paid subscription, there's something you can do there. So this is a big win compared to before. Zero noise, zero, alright? No time. Content captured cleanly from a static frame. User message 1 plus most of plot response. Truncated at YC10 because that's the place where we cut off. And I'll scroll for now and wait for 2 seconds for a frame to fire. So here, you're gonna hear this in my app. I'm gonna go back to the plot chat app and and let's see. I'm just gonna wait for the button to come and now that's up. I'm gonna just scroll down. Scroll down slowly all the way to the bottom. I'm gonna see what's the result it gets. Right now the interval is about 1 second, so 1 second. So let's see what. Alright, so I'm gonna stop the button right now. Let's go back to the Echo Flow app. And I'm gonna see Alright, so this is the new you know, text result I got from the recent test, and what I realized is it actually needs a lot of stuff from the top. So it's only capturing, you know, something from this workflow probably would look like, which is, you know, the bottom screen. This is the what you see when I go all the way to the bottom, which means that it's missing out all the parts on the top, and I wondered why is that the case? Is it because the div part, you know, actually removed it? Oh yeah, by the way, can we also implement a 2-tab? So in the first tab, I can see what's the raw text, everything without diving. The second one, so it's what's actually captured and what's actually removed by the algorithm. I think right now there's not much. Okay, maybe I can do something after all. We're gonna set up Hermes agent on. I just wanna know. So lately I've been testing out Hermes. If you're gonna stay, I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. Oh, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to why the top is missing, not the crop? Region crop only removes 12% of the screen, and the conversation in the middle of the screen is unaffected. Missing content is because you started scrolling from the bottom. No, I did not try to running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Oh lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Yeah, I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Wait, am I on the same local network? Wait, so right now I'm just setting up my SSH so that I can work on my PC Valve. Wait, but what's going on? Why is it not? Oh yeah. There's a app. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright, so we're gonna close this, delete workspace. want to do right now is we're gonna try her mask again, but we're gonna change, the model that we're using. Because right now we're using Gemma 412. So I'm just gonna compare what can you do, and can you use web search or tool use or anything like that?
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day
Perfect.
waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved
Perfect.
Still remember the moonlit night. Think I told you I loved you right there by the small waterfall you like. Did you say that you loved me? Staying up on and talking back, embarrassed. Slowly you see the cracks. Really felt like the perfect match. Now I don't know what to do. There's no point in dragging on. Tell myself I'm fine though. I know that I'm wrong. You're still on my mind, but I know that it's time to let you fade. But I think I'm afraid.
Perfect.
Let you go. Took me by the hand, gave me all, made me feel the warmth and left me in the cold. I don't wanna let you go. Keep on changing, there's no denying. You go your way, I'll find mine. We'll look back at the good old times. Do you still think about me? Sleepless nights when I'm in my bed. Don't know why you're still in my head. Really thought you were in the past. Think I know what to do, cause there's no point in dragging on. Tell myself I'm fine though. I know that I'm wrong. You're still on my mind, but I know that it's time to let you fade. But I think I'm afraid. I know I don't wanna let you go. Took me by the hand, just gave me all, made me feel the warmth and left me in the cold. I know I don't wanna let you go. I know I don't wanna let you go. Took me by the hand, just gave me all, made me feel the warmth and left me in the cold. I know I don't wanna let you go. I know I don't wanna let you go. Took me by the hand, just gave me all.
Oh, I got me feeling drunk and high, so high. Oh, angel sent from up above. You know you make my world light up. When I was down, when I was up, you came to lift me up. Life is a drink and love's a drug. Oh, now I think I must be miles up. When I was a river dried up, you came to rain a fire. Oh, I got me feeling drunk and high, so high, so high. Oh, I, now I'm feeling drunk ocean across the
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time is running out, day after day, we'll make the mundane a masterpiece. Oh my love. I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down till we're dead and buried on the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your vibe. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground of your sanctuary. Shatter me with your touch, oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found
Alright guys, I'm back. Let's go. Let's get it. Come on, locked in. Locked in. We bro. Let's go.
Hopeless, hallelujah.
So, false positive switch.
Of heaven's gate. Oh, my life, how do ya? Breathe in, take my breath away. At your altar, I will pray. You're the sculptor, I'm the clay. Oh, my, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down, so we're dead and buried. On the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground, sanctuary. Shatter me when you touch, oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so heavenly, higher than ecstasy. Whenever you're next to me, oh my, what was in black and white until I saw your light. I thought you had to die to find something so out of the ordinary. How are you laying me down to a dead and buried? On the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground, sanctuary. Shatter me with your touch, oh Lord, return me to dust.
Why is it might have been on the fence?
Angels up in the
So, okay, why I
clouds
think
are
about this.
jealous knowing we found.
Can you check what's the top area that is removed? I think right now it's taking up too much. That means, what I mean is that you know, out of the whole screen it's taking up too much of the top. I want to put it back some so that it only concates at the I think it's like 50%.
Make the most of coffee spilled on Sunday clothes. You say, guess we're staying home. You sing my name off key, spin me in a crowded street, point at every dog we see. That one loves you more than me. You're the loveliest man I know, turning little days into gold. Every flaw, every crack you show makes my heart lean in. Get close, I know it's a perfect plan. Just your hand in my hand, say the word so I understand. You're the loveliest man. You save every ticket stub, hide them in an old shoebox. Call it proof that we showed up to all the days we could have missed. You write this, you never keep. Fall asleep mid-movie scenes, mumble secrets in your sleep, like you're talking in your dreams. You're the loveliest man I know, turning little days into gold. Every flaw, every crack you show makes my heart lean in. Get close, I don't need some perfect plan, just your hand in my hand. Say the word so I understand. You're the loveliest man. Who knew soft could feel this strong? Who knew right could look like wrong? Shoes on the wrong
Can we
feet.
up slightly so we don't see the sonnet 4.6, maybe 0.72 or 7.1. And also the next thing is, you know, right after the broadcast starts and I see it in the dynamic island, I don't think it captures right away, because right after I scroll down a bit, the first thing that it captures is outside ambition, which is like if I scroll down slightly, until I see the app on my face. Then when I scroll to the top again, the bottom part behind says like my prompt and the fun experiment, fun for the experiment, so it comes back up. So I want to know what's the delay from, you know, I start the broadcast, I switch over to the app, I want to know when it actually starts capturing. I want to have a definitive answer, so we need to set up a test script in order to capture it.
Going out tonight changes into something red. Her mother doesn't like that kind of dress. Everything she never had
Showing off. Driving too fast,
moon is breaking through her hair. She's heading for something that she won't forget. Having no regrets is all that she really wants. We're only getting older, baby, and I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you've ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up.
Perfect.
But there's nothing to be afraid of.
What do I do right now in order to run it? Do I just go to terminal, tap on termef and run enter? Is that all I have to do?
Chasing it tonight, doubts are running round her head. She's wearing signs behind a cigarette. Heart is beating loud and she doesn't want it to stop. Moving too fast, moon is lighting up her skin. She's falling, doesn't even know it yet. Having no regrets is all that she really wants.
I think we're closer, but we still need to fix it to 4K context. Let me know if it's possible on my GPU. Then we're gonna run it again and see what happens if it works.
Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you've ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, it will never change me and you.
Going out tonight changes into something red. Her mother doesn't like that kind of dress.
Reminds her of the missing piece of innocence she lost. We're only getting older, baby, and I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you've ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, it will never change, baby. It will never change, baby. It will never change me and you.
I know that the bar closes at 11. I hope you never finish that beer. You know all the words to just
Impact.
like heaven.
I'm gonna go Alright, so here's what I'm seeing right now. You know, I pasted the text in and you know, I see that it says first OCR fired 0.10 seconds after start. And I see the sonnet 4.6, which means we need to tweak the height even lower. Right now it's about 0.72. I think we can make it 0.70. And also the next thing is it's still using out the first, they only apply the OCR after I scroll down slightly. So let's say if I scroll down to that will only apply, then you see that's the word that appears, but the top is actually left out. I want to know why. What's the algorithm behind that actually causes the text to be left out?
And I feel like I might throw up. Left hook, right punch to the gut. You're just a pretty boy. I'm paranoid. I made you up. Yeah, I'd love it if you walked me home. If you promise we can go real slow. Cause I got chewing gum and a bunch of stuff I'd like to know. Like, have you ever been to Japan or taken that Eurostar to France? I've been dropping hints all night that I'd love it if you held my hand. Goddamn. And then maybe we could make out. Close off and fall to the ground. Let's go steady and let's go out and tell the whole damn world how. One night I was bored in bed and stalked you on the internet. It's feminine intuition, cause I always had a vision of us standing like this, all pressed up in the bathroom line. You looking like an angel on the walls at Versailles. The most alive I've ever been, but kiss me and I might. Pisces and a Gemini, but I think we might go really nice together if you let me stay the night. Well, I think I might just have to stay forever. Pisces and a Gemini, but I think we might go really nice together if you let me stay the night. Well, I think I might just have to stay forever. One night I was bored and stalked you on the internet. It's feminine intuition, cause I always had a vision of us standing like this, all pressed up in the bathroom line. You looking like an angel on the walls at Versailles. The most alive I've ever been, but kiss me and I might. Kiss me and I might. Kiss me and I might drop dead.
I still don't understand why it says that it fired 0.8 seconds after start. Right, OCR fired 0.28 seconds after start, and I'm at the top of the screen and I let it sit for about 1-2 seconds already. However, when I scroll down and I stop at the place and I click on stop broadcast, that's the only screen that's captured. It says, since you know, when I scroll down, the first word I see is YC rewards that energy, and that is what's captured in the text instead of what was previously on the top when I initiated the broadcast and I was on the top of the screen. I don't understand what is this behavior. I need to solve it. Maybe I should use a higher effort model. Now Hermes run again, then I think this time our tool is gonna be able to That's work. I'm gonna send two websites on what is CMOS, macOS. Moment of truth, guys. It's either gonna spit out me saying that, you know, can't do web search context before, or it's gonna successfully perform. Wow, I do hope it's not gonna take it's really exciting stuff, you know, things per minute and stuff. But right now we're trying to explore the local route because we're just gonna overpay for stuff. We're not having tasks that do one crazy. Okay, so it's been mauling, it's been loading, initializing everything. Let me check my Alright, it's very high right now. I think the response will come back anytime now because the utilization is Alright, responding. Okay, preparing web search. So it's working. It's So 12B, I think the minimum is actually 12B. We need this 12B after all. And I'm also not sure, how much RAM is being used right now. Alright, so the term CMUX in the context of macOS is like the month quite slow. I mean, the most exciting thing is that you managed to actually perform the web search correctly. So I think that in itself is appreciated. But the next thing we're gonna do is I need to pull Olama list.
Something's got a hold on me lately. No, I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Whoa, out of my mind. How many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone? Yeah, it's taking a toll on me. Trying my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know I lose control when you're not next to me? I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control.
I'm talking about the popular CMUX created by ManaFlow, a YC startup right now, and I want you to do research on it and what is it about. The CMUX tool for macOS. Problematic.
Problem is I want your body like a fiend, like a bad habit. Bad habits hard to
iOS
break
suspends
when I'm with
background
you.
sound loops well.
Yeah, I know I can do it on my own, but I want that real full moon, black magic, and it takes two.
Flow comes foreground, starts flowing, clears all state and reads only the line.
Problem is when I'm with you, I'm an addict.
Okay, so I did previously
And I need some relief. My skin and your teeth can't see the forest through the trees. Got me down on my knees, darling, please.
Yeah, I think we're ready this version. So I'm gonna do Command R. I'm gonna go pick a
When you're not next to me, I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not next to me. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me.
And let's see what's the output of
I lose control when you're not here with me. I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when
Alright, so
you're
my
not
memory
here with
utilization
me.
is at
Yeah, you're breaking my
Gemma 4,
heart,
12
baby.
billion
You make a mess of me.
We're just gonna let it process the web search right now. And let's look at what's it saying here. The file has evolved more than the summary showed. The key architecture problem remains the same. Now rewrite, check for new text and clear accumulated to use the new accumulated lines array. Whatever that means, right? Whatever that means. So while we let it run, we're gonna check back at Hermes. How's it going?
That you
Still running. The web search is still going.
that you
I actually want to try out this model called Neutron 3 nano latest.
married now.
What
I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend,
All source key errors are.
Why are you so shy? Ain't
Alright, let's
like you
build it again.
hold
Go
back
to Xcode.
or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over.
Okay, right now I'm at the top of the chat. I'm gonna start broadcast right
Never
now.
mind, I'll find
Request timed out. Auxiliary title
like
generation failed. Prepare browser navigator.
I wish
So
nothing
let's
but
go
the
ahead and start
best for you.
Yeah, I hope it does work this time. I really hope it does work this time.
Don't forget me. I think I remember you say sometimes it lasts and loves, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts and loves, but sometimes it hurts instead. You know how the time flies. Only yesterday was the time.
Have you built it, or is it still not the case? By the way, if you did and I already ran it, it's a new build. I think it's much better. You can see my original. You can look at the MD file of what is in the chat session. You can see that, you know, my original chat is there, and there's some Russian. I don't know what happened over there after the move fast part perfectly, but the part I don't know how to perfectly capture everything that I
hoped
spoke
you'd see
towards.
my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over.
You fit the move fast. Where's that?
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing
But
but
okay, so it's supposed to be, but reviewers might thank him
for
for.
you to
Alright,
don't
we just need to
forget
go for the Russian
me.
part, but I think it's pretty promising how
I
the
remember
This
you
one has
say
I feel like
sometimes
constraints
it
actually help
lasts
us
in
instead of
love,
problems.
but sometimes it
Constraints we need
hurts
to walk through it, need to build around the edges, and that's what
Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes, their memories made. Who would have known how bittersweet this would
but if I already have one part of the city laid out and tell you build this
Never
on this side
mind,
of the city, it's going to be much easier because you already have some things to work with, you have constraints. Actually, a lot of people think, constraints, harmless, they restrict us, but what I feel like is it creates more resourcefulness in us and also more freedom by really limited by constraints. So I think constraints are actually used to our advantage instead of,
sometimes it hurts
seeing it as a
instead.
It's very interesting how we have all
find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you to don't forget me. I think I remember you say sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
Confidence, the sheer
Sometimes it
confidence,
lasts
you
in
probably get it.
love, but sometimes it hurts.
The sheer confidence and scope. Can you also take a look at the pasted text? After the my honest take, he'd probably get in the sheer then it starts to ramble about Confidenco and Con, Latvia, Tintina. A lot of typos and stuff here. Before it goes back to taken a bet or pass because the idea wasn't crisp and confident in the scope of his thinking.
All around, the wind blows, we would only hold on to let
So
go.
I think there's also something here. Is it because of the scroll in motion causing it?
Blow a kiss, fire a gun.
So I think the next part we need to do is account for that. You need to account for when the scrolling is in motion and the frame is blurry. How do we make sure that we don't hit an image
All we need is somebody
that
to lean
takes
on.
time? Okay, but right now I'm gonna do
What will we do when we get old? walk down the same
side.
road? Will you be there by my side, standing strong as the waves roll over? When the nights are long, longing for you to come home. All around, the wind blows, we would only hold on to let go. Blow a kiss, fire a gun, we all need someone to lean on. Blow a kiss, fire a gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Blow a kiss, fire a gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Blow a kiss, fire a gun, all we need is somebody to lean on.
Alright, I think we're gonna fully cover straight back to the main. Alright, so we have gotten a few progress in. I'm gonna give you a summary of what we implemented, and here's the new result that I'm getting. So I think when the screen is moving, sometimes they capture the exact same sentence twice and they don't give you to see, you know, what is the repeated text. So I think we need, but I think actually what we have right now is very good already. But we still need to refine it much better. Because one thing is like what right after it says what made you think of this, then there's a but Re might have been on the fence program. So at the end it should have just ended at what made you think this, but it's also having something more. So we gotta fix that also. What 28% left for the weekly meet, and we're 97%.
Phone in a tower somewhere. Laugh at my tan. Say I look better this way. Salt on your lips. You sip from a plastic glass. Tell me your plans, and let every promise just pass.
Alright, so since I cannot directly perform the web search using the standard search tool, but can navigate to URL,
We don't rewind.
really bad.
Sun on my skin. You in my eyes. If this is wrong, let it be right. Sun on my skin.
Can you research why it's not able to do web search effectively? Why is it failing at it? And also, do any credits or set up any API or MCPs to use web search with Hermes?
Slow little dance, right where the water starts.
I want to
You
check out
trace your
my
name,
tab again.
they're on my shoulder and heart.
Motion blur from
Clouds drift aside, like they were reading our thoughts. You say it's nothing, but you're breathing, saying a lot.
Matrix.
Don't
Set up
talk
this server
about
so that
later, stay in this way.
Element.
Your hands on my waist now. Teach me your name again. Soft little promise, only
we need to
today.
hit the gateway.
If it all fades, let this moment remain. Sun on my skin,
Run it in.
you on my mind. Losing the time again, we don't rewind.
Perfect.
Sun on my skin, you
Hermes
on my
gateway
eyes.
card.
If this is wrong, let it be right. Sun on my skin, you on my mind. Losing the time again, we don't rewind. Sun on my skin,
Gateway, I think gateway.
you in my eyes. If this is wrong, let it be right. Sun on my skin. Sun on my skin. Hey.
How to get Hermes gateway running, and I'm gonna click back here and test it.
Baby, where the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another. Tell him if you see him, baby. If you see him, tell him we should. Why is this beautiful man waiting for me to get? Already testing my patience. I only feel it taking time with other women that ain't me, but I've been refusing medications. Till I got my hands on him, I'ma tell him I'm too far.
can you tell me what you implemented? And also, I want to know if something like a threshold, frame defacing is actually a good idea. Because sometimes I think this kind of stuff we have confidence level, and sometimes we don't actually perform as good as we want it to. Maybe I'll just commit this branch for now, and I'm gonna create another workspace so that we can branch off and work on another thing. So I'm gonna want to commit this branch right now, and I want to revert the code so that I can port this transition and go on another
Perfect.
gateway storage. Or maybe we have to go to
Your husband is coming.
how do we run it? Hermes gateway run. It's not start. Hermes gateway run. So let's go. Hermes gateway run. Okay, restart. We gotta restart.
She got cherry lips, angel eyes. She knows exactly how to tantalize. She's out to get you, danger by design. Cold-blooded vixen, she don't compromise. She's something mystical and colored lights. So far from typical, but take my advice. Before you play with fire, do think twice. And if you get burned, don't be surprised. Got me lifted, drifted higher than the ceiling. Ooh, baby, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly. Sugar, how you get so fly. Oh, sugar, how you get so fly. Sugar, how you get so fly. Sugar, how you get so fly.
What do you think the fix for that should be?
Angel eyes. She knows exactly how to tantalize. She's out to get you, danger by design. Cold-blooded vixen, she don't compromise. She's something mystical and colored lights. So far from typical, but take my advice. Before you play with fire, do think twice. And if you get burned, don't be surprised. Got me lifted, drifted higher than the ceiling. Ooh, baby, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly. Sugar, how you get so fly. Oh, sugar, how you get so fly. Sugar, how you get so fly. Sugar, how you get so fly.
By the way, I just tested it again, and this time this is the result I get. I think it's pretty close. Can you tell me if there's any error in this wall of text compared with the empty file?
Of missing
Empty file.
lovers past. My brother used to call it eating out of the trash. It's never gonna last. I thought my house was haunted. I used to live with ghosts and all the perfect couples. Said when you know, and when you don't, you don't. And all of the foes and all of the friends have seen it before, they'll see it again. Life is a song, it ends when it ends. I was wrong.
Should we get the lyrics? Let's go.
I'll smile, I know what it takes to fool this town. I'll do it till the sun goes down and all through the night time. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Keep my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right time. Yeah. I put my arm around, show you how strong I am. I put my arm around, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible.
I want to understand what this line do.
I don't need batteries today. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. Break down, only alone I will cry out now. You'll never see what's hiding out deep down. Yeah, I know, I've heard that to let your feelings show is the only way to make friendships grow, but I'm too afraid now. Yeah, I put my arm around, show you how strong I am. I put my arm around, I'll show you that I am.
I don't understand. Can you put it in a more concise way for me to understand what this line is? Yeah, batteries today.
I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today.
Okay, I don't want to. Okay, that's that. So what if I try, going much faster?
I'm unstoppable today. I put my arm around, show you how strong I am. I put my arm around, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. Mine's so powerful.
I don't think it's that important as of now, but now I have another wall of text coming through. I want you to compare it to the SD and see if there's any content difference.
Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today.
Stop copying my text. What is it? Copy. What's going on? This is too long. Yep.
I couldn't stop if I wanted. Nothing could put me out. You lit the fire higher inside of me. You move like water, daughter, so take the lead. Highly, if I'm honest, I couldn't be without. Part of my heart stepping and saying this. I'd love to find the answer within your kiss.
Alright,
If you play, I'll play until the both of us fuse. I make the same, open up a honey you can't refuse. Check the money 'cause I'm rich with love for you. Honey, I don't need you, let us fuck out the floor. I'll leave you, but there's still a
Alright, how do I get
reason
these
to
text?
sing it for more. Check the money 'cause I'm rich with love for you. Oh Lord, have mercy on me. I simply just can't leave the finest woman that I
Alright, online
ever wish to
keyboard.
see. Where can I book a lesson to learn this love expression? Look how she makes her way over to me. I'm gonna
not the full clipboard. How come? It's not a full clipboard. It's not the full clipboard.
I wanna take you somewhere, so you know I care, but it's so cold and I don't know where. I brought you daffodils on a pretty string, but they won't flower like they did last spring. And I wanna kiss you, make you feel alright.
We're not gonna care about the feature right now. What we're gonna work on is like, I have this new wall of text coming in from the latest test. I wanna compare it with the MD file and see if there's any content differences or if we have actually a very solid idea on our hands right now. I think we might be close. We might actually be close. And if this actually works, then we don't need a lot of the extra stuff or fluff, you know, depending on how you see it, in order to go on. It's very promising type, and the reason why I'm trying to use this instead of like, you know, something that's tied to Claude chat app itself is because this is quite universal. You can bring this over to Safari, Chat GPT app. You can bring this to other apps. It's gonna be something like this on your device, which is something very cool. Of course, the best thing is when you're able to just click on the accessibility, speak aloud, and just select your text. But let's see. Comparing captured versus ground truth carefully. It's kind of bad. Did it appear twice? Let's see. It's kind of bad.
And if somebody hurts you, I wanna fight, but my hand's been broken one too many times. So I use my voice, I'll be so fucking rude. Words they always win, but I know I'll lose. And I'd sing a song that'd be just stars, but I sang them all to another heart. And I wanna cry, I wanna learn to love, but all my tears have been used up
Elegance,
on another love, another love. All my tears have been used up on another love, another love. All my tears have been used up on another love, another love.
Alright, so I think you have a few fixes, but what about other stuff like garbled lines, you know, what about when the frame is in motion, the OCR characters? Alright, so I want you to rank, come up with possible solutions, take part, come up with possible solutions, and also all the fixes, then I want you to rank them, you know, how likely they're gonna work and how little they change the whole thing, and rank them. And the thing that changes the least but is most likely to work and yield the highest benefit, we're gonna do them in the implementation first. So we're gonna wait it and push every implementation that we like, we're gonna push it, we're gonna save it on. So we don't actually push five things at once and other five things at once. We don't know which part of it is actually wrong. We're gonna push out one implementation, test it, come back, second implementation, come back. So yeah, that's what I think.
All my tears have been used up on another love, another love. All my tears have been used up on another love, another love. All my tears have been used up.
Okay, I'm gonna say again. Alright, so what I want you to do right now is come up with possible fixes with all of these problems we have, you know, duplicates, garbled lines, OCR character errors, okay, and missing content. For now, I think OCR character errors, we don't have to, you know, fix it so early. I don't think it's that urgent yet. We're gonna leave it. And for the other 4 or the other 3, I want you to come up with possible fixes, and I want you to find these 2 out. So what is the likelihood that it will work? How sure are you that it will work? And you know, in the same sense, what is the return on investment, or how much yield can we get by the implementation? And the second one is the first thing is how likely it's gonna work. The second one is, you know, if it's gonna break a lot of stuff. If one thing has a very huge interference radius, which like affects a lot of other stuff. Then we're gonna put it down on the least. The ones that impact the least on the major functionality but yields the best result, we're gonna put it in the top priority, and that's how we're gonna implement it one feature and one connection at a time instead of going through implementing 5 at once but having 5 different parts. And this is what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna create trees later on.
You thought I'd take the blame for us crumbling around like you ain't guilty of something. Already lost the game, guess it's catching up to you. You think that you're so
Not bad, we still have 27% of cloud left with 95% for the 5-hour usage. I think we can complete some actual Alright, so the first one, my priority is for duplicates. So duplicates I'm gonna fork this conversation. Try to do right. Fork it. Fork conversation. I'm gonna do right speed. I'm gonna fork it. Yeah, go ahead and implement the first implementation.
It takes two to break a heart in two. You blame me and blame.
This town is colder now. Talk to me.
Let's go, deja vu. Let's get it. Yo, I know my workflow isn't very parallel right now. It's just alright, but it's alright. Because this stuff is quite flaky and erratic, so we're just gonna do it slowly, one at a time. And also, I tested out these pyramids, but it's actually not good. I'm actually not very impressed. I think you gotta use either model to OpenRouter or the Claude API or OpenAI API instead of just using the local model. The local model isn't really working.
To all our friends saying you're so unique. So when you gonna tell her that we did that too? She thinks it's special, but it's all reused. That was our place, I found it first. I made the jokes you tell to her when she's with you. Do you get deja vu when she's with you? Do you get deja vu? Do you get deja vu? Do you call her? Almost say my name, 'cause let's be honest, we kinda do sound the same. Another actress. I hate to think that I was just your type. I bet that she knows Billy Joe, 'cause you played her uptown girl. You're singing it together now. I bet you even tell her how you love her in between the chorus and the verse.
Yo, I wanna check what is the pricing for DeepSeek 4. Because DeepSeek is very cheap, but it's very cheap. And I think DeepSeek 4 check what is the pricing. We're gonna build this right now and see how it works.
Strawberry ice cream in Malibu. Don't act like we
don't drink coffee, I take tea, my dear. Like my toast down on the side. And you can hear it in my accent when I talk. I'm an Englishman in New York. See me walking down Fifth Avenue, a walking cane here at my side. I take it everywhere I walk. I'm an Englishman in New York. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. If man who maketh man, as someone said, he's the hero of the day. It takes a man to suffer ignorance to smile. Be yourself, no matter what they say. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien.
What do you think about
I'm an
this?
Englishman
Do you think the result is good or is it bad? And does it actually directly solve our duplicate issue or
I'm a
no?
legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York.
Alright, so how do I set up OpenAI DeepSeek? It's not DeepSeek here.
I'm an Englishman in New York.
What a top does
Everybody gets high sometimes, you know.
result good. Fingerprint work for its
else can we
intended
do when
purpose.
we're
4 or 5
feeling low?
duplicates after only 1 duplicate remaining.
So take a deep breath and let it go.
Alright.
You shouldn't be drowning on your own. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over.
The other issues actually appear in our fix, or is that unaccounted for? And what kind of fix do you think warrants for the other issues? And how come that other issues actually happen? So you think we did a good job? There's only 1 remaining duplicate.
I won't let go.
How do we fix that remaining duplicate? Is it just
I'll be your lifeline
do you
tonight.
think we should go on to the next fix? Do you think it's about time, or do you think we should plan out what's the other issues first?
I'll be your lifeline.
So if they actually give me back the proposal this time,
Cause we all get lost sometimes, you know.
contributing, because there's very valuable stuff that I
How
don't
we
want to
learn,
use for
how
other
we grow.
countries. By the way, let's take a look at what is
And I
Club
wanna lay with
3090.
you till
So
I'm
Club 3090 is a recipe for serving
shouldn't
LLMs
be
locally
fighting
on
on
RTX
your
3090. So, like the name
If
suggests,
you
you
feel you're
have to
sinking, I will jump right over
Smart.
the cold, cold water for
So,
you.
turns out I think you can use multiple
And all the
systems.
time
Did it
may
actually
take us into different places.
Complementary routes, pick what the
Be
workflow based
patient
on.
with you.
DLLM, dual, make
I
sense.
hope you know I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go.
I have this thing where I get older, but just never wiser. Midnights become my afternoons.
I'm gonna fork this chair right now. I'm gonna fork it
When
to,
my depression works the graveyard shift, all of the
I'm gonna go on,
people
say,
I've
go on
ghosted
with
stand there in the room.
go on with the fix A right now. Then I'm gonna leave B and C later. I'm gonna move on to the second fix.
I end up in crisis.
And since I'm gonna go on with the second fix,
I
I'm gonna
wake up
fork these
screaming
each
from
and game because
dreaming.
our
One
second
day
fix is
I'll
gonna be
watch
some
as
content.
you leave.
We're gonna
Cause
fork
you
these
got
to,
tired of my scheming.
left, right?
It's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me. narcissism, like disguise as altruism, like some kind of consciousness. I wake up screaming from dreaming. One day I'll watch as you're leaving, and life will lose all its meaning. For the last time, it's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me. At tea time, everybody agrees. I'll stare directly at the sun, but never in the mirror. It must be exhausting, always rooting for the anti-hero. I have this dream, my daughter-in-law kills me for the money. She thinks I left them in the will. The family gathers around and reads it, and then someone screams out, she's laughing up at us from hell. It's me.
Alright, so previously was the Pokemon game
Problem,
when
it's me.
you go up here,
It's
you
me.
can see that
Hi.
AI, right?
I'm the problem, it's me. It's me. Hi.
So you can see
Everybody agrees, everybody agrees. It's me. Hi. I'm the problem, it's me. I'm the problem, it's me. Time. Everybody agrees. Everybody agrees. I'll stare directly at the sun, but never in the mirror. It must be exhausting, always rooting for the anti-hero.
look at this, is it fixed now?
Somebody said they saw you. The person you were kissing wasn't me, and I would never ask you. I just kept it to myself. I don't wanna know if you're playing me. Keep it on the low, 'cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you're cribbing, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know. I think about it when I hold you.
Alright, implementation 1 is implemented. Now I want you to work on missing content. Scroll to the top
I
banner.
don't need to know the truth.
But what kind of problem is this?
Baby,
Can you
keep
brief me
it
a
to
bit on
yourself.
what
I
kind
don't
of
wanna
error this is and what is the suggestion?
if you're
I don't
playing
understand.
me, keep it on the low. 'Cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you're cribbing, please don't let it show.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew.
No, but
you
this is not the
were
thing that I want to
someone
fix. Actually, I don't mind if they start from the middle. Actually, whatever screen position they start at, it's just that they have to be there so that when they start the broadcast, it's from where they want it to start reading. So if they are really at the top by themselves, they want to start, reading, converting it to speech from the middle. That's supposed to be alright. I don't think that is something we should fix unless it's something fundamentally wrong with the architecture and the way that it works. Pretty broken. Free to print everything else in one interview, but wouldn't be.
Dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look
Why would the OCR actually merge wouldn't be without the space? Like, how do you even account for that? And why would it actually happen?
Well, I found a woman
Why is there a clean read and an OCR? You know,
stronger than anyone I know.
is it the OCR
She
problem?
shares my
What kind of problem
dreams.
is
I
that?
hope
And
someday
also,
I'll
missing
share
content.
her
What do you mean on fix 2? Can you brief me more about fix 2 so that I can send it
I
around?
found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this, darling. You look
Alright, go ahead and implement it, and also brief me about the second fix, which is the missing content. What is that about, and what is the proposed fix actually about?
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, or barefoot on the grass, or listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
You are all I ever ask. Nothing more than that. I tried to run away, I tried to find a way to get you close to me. No, nothing ever changed. Oh yeah, we're still the same, just like those school kids. Rising high, running low, all the way to the top. We can do anything. Red lights take me home. I can feel the vertigo anytime you're close to me. You are all I ever ask. Nothing more than that. Oh, you all I ever ask. You way more than what I thought I'd ever have. You are my oxygen.
Nor implementation fix number 2. And right now, this is the new result that just came in. I want you to figure out how
I
is it.
wanna know about the things I never doubt, but you're my everything, and I can't say it out loud. Rising high, running low, all the way to the top. We can do anything. Red lights take me home. I can feel the vertigo anytime you're close to me. You are all I ever ask. Nothing more than that. Oh,
This is a song about the greatest heartbreak I've ever known. This song is called Nightingale Lane. On the street in the South London suburbs, where my first love
Yo,
kissed
I think
me
we're moving in the wrong
goodbye.
direction.
His lips were thin and beer stained and tear stained. Was a pain that made me colder now. After the oceans I cried, I made of steel, just
moving in the wrong
floating now. When I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I've let them go now. Just see a ghost town, and sometimes at red lights with closed eyes, I tell myself to go on, just say somebody loved me once, and someday somebody will again, like the way you love me on Nightingale Lane. Although we never made it, stranger, you show me it's true. I'm capable of loving someone the way I loved you. It was right there, early June, next door, Park Avenue. On Nightingale Lane, standing in the rain, I watched him walk away down my road. Took me long years to get over you. It was an aching I refused to feel again. And looking back now, we never were quite right for each other, baby. But at the absence of passion in my
I think we're
life,
gonna
I
pivot.
remember how alive love
back to
once
production.
was. And I sigh when I drive down this
Alright, so
road.
I've tried the Austrian method so far. It's quite promising, but you know, if I actually account for each of the edge cases, it's gonna take me a lot of time. So I don't think that's the right approach. Can we actually use the Apple is there any Apple support or development kit or developer interface that allows me to actually capture all of the text on screen right now? Like some API access or accessibility that allows me to capture all the text on the screen. Is there anything like that? I think that's gonna be much better than OCR. Then we're still gonna keep the framework and semantic of OCR, which is like every 1 second we're gonna do an API call to get all the text on the screen, all the text on the screen, and we're gonna see what changed, and we're gonna read out what's the previous retrieval and the previous retrieval. I think we have to start exploring this side because OCR works in a sense, but one thing about OCR is that your screen has to show whatever you want it to be read. It needs to kind of actually have it like an engine where you can just click to it and like custom way. You need to scroll down to where the response is in order for the agent to actually talk back to you in the chat app inside of iOS.
I've dabbled in love since maybe every other summer. It never lasts long, they never stick around.
I think we might
I'm
need
made of
to
steel
figure
now.
out
I believe someday someone gon' come along and knock them walls down. And knock them walls down. When I drive down this road, I'm reminded though I've let him go now. Right here in this ghost town, right here on this ground is where someone once loved me, and someday someone will. Someone will. I know it. Someone will love me.
Alright, so what's the verdict? No worries. Apple APIs for screen
I
text
could be
capture.
the twist, the
Nothing better
one to
than what
make you
have.
stop,
That's
the
the same
icing
box
on your
hardwall.
cake,
API
the
lets
cherry
you
on the
text
top.
from
It's
the
heaven
app
in my heart, and we
option
could
to
find you
play
some space.
keep frames. Your own app only. AR.
I could be the world to you, the missing piece, the extra sentimental kind of chemistry. Some people make it hard with me, that isn't the case. 'Cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and we'll fall into us. I'm the perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life. Anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy to fall in love with the way I do my hair, the way I make you laugh.
Alright, so I'm wondering
the way
about how
we
the
like to
iOS
share a walk in
big
Central
allowed
Park.
feature works.
I
For
could be
example, you can
fresh
see
air, might be the girl of your dreams.
icon, then you can just click on it and you start reading
There's no need to
all the
hide
words on
if
the page,
you're
or you can start from wherever
into me, 'cause I'm
where you
into
click on.
you
So
quite
can I hijack that and use my own speech
and maybe
generator
one
instead
night
of
could
Apple's
turn into
pretty
three.
good
Well,
Windows
I'm down to
Windows,
see
right?
'cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and we'll fall into us. I'm the perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life. Anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy to fall in love with me.
It was so hard.
Easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and we'll fall into us. I'm the perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life. Anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy to fall in love with me. I got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked about. 'Cause you were so excited for me to finally drive up to your house. But today I drove through the suburbs crying 'cause you weren't around. And you're probably with that blonde girl who always made me doubt.
Alright, we're gonna
She's so
revert
much
this.
older than me. She's everything I'm insecure about. Yet today I drove through the suburbs. 'Cause how could I ever love someone else? And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. And I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. Guess you didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. 'Cause you said forever, now I drive alone past your street. And all my friends are tired of hearing how much I miss you, but I kinda feel sorry for them, 'cause they'll never know you the way that I do. Yet today I drove through the suburbs and pictured I was driving home to you. And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. Oh, and I just can't imagine how you could be so okay.
What do you think about this result?
Now that I'm gone, I guess
is this. For example, if you look at the right at the bottom, it says launch the first site nor jack nor like because like scroll, so you can actually see what's the But if I were to look at these results, what makes you think of this? I think it's pretty solvable, right? For example, you just see one word in the two lines, you just play for a second. That's that might be a cheat code, right? So as a result, that's something that not really project. Alright, actually one thing that I'm actually realizing is that we can use an LLM right before the corporal in order to clean up the text. But then again, you know, we're gonna increase the complexity of the project and we're gonna eliminate, you know, local first because everything has to go through the and it's gonna be even more intensive on the memory and stuff. So I don't think we should go that route because like you're already running screen controls here and it's gonna take a toll on your battery life. But then now you're still doing this, you know, even if you run the model on device itself, it's not efficient at all. Especially when we're just testing, you know, this kind of edge cases. Like, it's just one word, right? Just one word.
Ocean cities, lights around me.
I like what we have right now. Can you help me do a push or should I take myself? So,
like a song I still remember.
I'm gonna put in the message.
Swings and cherry snow. Fireworks above the sky. Like a song on a Toyota. In the summer I was 9. And I keep on dreaming about the nights I used to feel alive. And I can shake the feeling. It's all that I need. It's all that I love. Radio playing in the driveway. Barefoot dancing in the light. Nothing loud, no complications. Every moment felt just right. Broken swings and cherry soda. Fireworks above the sky.
Here's a small thing I want to face. Just right now you can see that, you know, the project word and the word below it is the wrong word. They are the same line. I mean, they're one line of each other and also they're only one word. So maybe we can try to match these two words together and we can use the which one might be the correct one. Is it project or project? You see what I'm saying? That is the whole version.
And I can shake the feeling. It's all that I need, yeah. It's all that I love.
The fabric of reality is coming apart at the seams. No nothing's never as it seems. Awake in a dream, trying to fight the feeling. Gotta hold on tight, looking for some meaning in a hollow life. I feel the nostalgia sink into my soul, chasing all the moments that were already gone. As long as gravity holds me down, I'll be dreaming with my head in the clouds until we reach eternity in the stars, trusting the strength of who we are, of who we are.
I try, but I don't do too well with apologies. I hope I don't run out of time. Could someone call a referee? Cause I just need one more shot at forgiveness. I know that I made those mistakes maybe once or twice. And by once or twice I mean maybe a couple of 100 times. So let me redeem on myself tonight. Cause I just need one more shot, second chances. Yeah, is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I'm sorry, yeah. Sorry, sorry, yeah. I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I'll take every single piece of the blame if you want me to. But you know that there is no innocent one in this game for two. I'll go, and then you go out and spill the truth. Can we both say the words and forget this? Yeah, is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I'm sorry, yeah. Sorry, sorry, yeah. I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now?
You know I got your number all night. I'm always on your team, I got your back, alright. Taking those losses if it treats you right. I wanna put you into the spotlight. The world would only know what you've been holding back. Heart attacks every night. Oh, you know it's not right. I will follow you way down, wherever you may go. I follow you way down to your deepest low. I'll always be around wherever life takes you. You know I follow you. Call you up, you've been crying all night. You're only disappointed in yourself, alright. Taking those losses if it treats you right. I wanna take you into the sunlight. The world would know what you've been holding back. Heart attacks every night.